Them I got tired for seeing my face, cause them can't get me out of the race. Alright, yo. I say welcome back to the channel. Remember, we are giving away a PS5. So, please, follow my... Oh. What the hell? Yeah. Man, follow me. My TikTok. Or follow me on Instagram or whatever you want. Follow me on. It is dinhoswole. I'm gonna leave it up on the screen. But anyway, so as you guys know, Spice had a tour planned out called Hell No. No, at first I made a video, and if you guys don't believe me, go back to that video that I recorded with Spice. Hell No video. Great video, great message. I said it in the video that they are going to scrutinize Spice for the whole concept of the video and the song. They're going to scrutinize her because she went into a school to film the video for that specific song, Hell No. No, I'm gonna say this. I'm gonna watch that 3-minute clip here. I'm gonna hear what Spice have to say, and I'm gonna go into my feedback on it. Alright?
Hi everybody, welcome to E-Prime for this evening. I am Daydran. Spice's Oh No school tour gets the hell no. The Queen of Dancehall has pulled the plug on her high school tour after just 2 days. This decision comes after institutions pulled out of the tour, expressing concerns via email. The controversy began when Apostle Jeffrey Shuttleworth, a member of the religious community, voiced his opposition on the tour in a video circulating on TikTok. He specifically criticized Spice's track Hell No, which he claims was being used to promote the tour.
Also know that the music video Hell No is glorifying the opposite of what the song seems. So I'd like to know if this is a meme. Is it a meme? Is it just a joke? Or this is really official? If this is official, I am the first, and I'm no public, I know that, to go public, and I will take it further too. Not just by decrying it and denouncing it and repudiating it and rejecting it, but I'll go further and do other things, which of course I won't say just yet. And it makes a mockery, absolute mockery, and runs amok of what we purportedly are trying to teach our children.
However, in an interview with E-Prime, the DJ denounced that she was using the track as promotional material for the tour.
It's very strategic, but I'm telling you, that song is really going against what these men are singing about and the degrading things that they are talking about doing to women. So I'm telling them to say no to it and not accept it. And that song wasn't specifically built to go into school. That song is running on TikTok right now. It's not about the schools. I think I'm getting a fight to do something good. I don't see why I should fight to do something good in Jamaica. And I felt like it was needed and the conversations are needed.
She also explained that she was not visiting the schools under the stage name Spice.
It's obvious that they're not able to differentiate, because when the apostle was speaking against me going into the school, he specifically was talking about Spice. He was talking about my videos, my performances, the songs and everything. At no point did he speak on, oh, I went to one of these schools and Grace Hamilton was speaking and this was the speech. So he didn't come out, neither did the Ministry of Education come out and to see what it was about, that it was just an aim to restore societal values. And so I was taken aback, because I'm like, I'm not doing a performance, so why do you constantly speak on Spice? And it's not a stage show.
In the meantime, the Grammy-nominated artist also revealed that prior to school's withdrawing, the tour was off to a good start.
It was going successful. We managed to go to Waterford. I was at St. Catherine High School, which is my past school, going extremely well. I was making donations and having fun at St. Catherine High School. I gave back $1 million to the Performing Arts Group, and I was so excited. I cried because I was emotional, because it's my past school, and I went there to encourage the kids that, you know, you have to just fight through coming out of from nothing to something. And because I know that they know that I'm a past student, it meant a lot to me to go back to say, if I did it, then you too can do it.
The DJ vehemently noted that she is unaware if the Ministry of Education has any involvement with the schools withdrawing from the tour. At News Time, E-Prime received an exclusive update that Spice will visit 3 high schools in St. Thomas tomorrow. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daydran. Thank you for watching.
Alright, so I'm gonna just give my honest opinion on it, right? And yes, my opinion don't really matter, you see me, but for who watch and support Spice. Everybody knows that I love Spice. I think Spice is the most lyrical female artist in dancehall. And honestly, bro, I feel like Spice can kill a whole heap of them little youth here where I call themselves bad DJ. See me? I feel like Spice can clash any one of them. Hold on. Oh, I want to my camera. Don't play with me now. Oh. I feel like Spice can kill enough of them little youth where I run and call themselves DJ. However, that's a different story. No, the feedback a Spice get is pretty much ridiculous as hell. Because the space that we're in now musically and especially in a dancehall, man I sing about pissing a pitting a girl mouth, pissing a face and all them something there. See me? How music I go right now, back in a Buju Banton them days, Shabba Rank them days, and Bounty Killer, Beanie Man, their music were explicit, but it wasn't as direct as it is today. All did know say Buju Banton a sing about girl fi give him head from long time. And I just know, you know. But he was strategic about how he put it in his song. You understand me? Now, I want to go back and focus on this. Spice sing a song name, Hell No. See me? And she used it as a platform to say the school girl them, enough things are happening at school, so the little youth them there. Them did a run train for a little girl in the room and some of them start beat her up. See me? So you have to look upon things. Like one thing we notice with Jamaican people, bro, them live inside our box. You have some who live outside of a box or think outside of the box, but you see majority of them think inside the box and don't want to come out of the box, bro. Spice used I used the song to tell girls, tell young girls. And you know much video circulate this internet with young girl from Jamaica, a so cool and all them something there, bro. Enough of them. So if Spice use our platform to try influence kids and tell kids to listen, no, you're not gonna do that. You're not gonna follow the explicit lyrics where you're hearing a song. You're not gonna follow the Vibes Cartel and some of them lyrics the way you hear other artists are sing. See me? No, you're not gonna follow that. And she's not bashing anyone, but you just show young girls to listen. And young boys too, you can do better. You don't have to fit in with society. Not because you hear one bag of man say you have to suck wood, that don't mean say you have to do it. Not because you hear one bag of man say you have to take off your clothes and show your body on the internet, that don't mean say you have to do it. Not because you see other people are do it, that don't mean say you have to follow. See me? Spice is literally giving you she's literally using the terminology monkey see, monkey do. She's trying to tell you that monkey can see but monkey not fi do. See me? So dog, una put this down on Spice, bro. And look how much explicit song other female artists sing from Jamaica. I'm still soon accept them in a school. Chelsea sing about lick out and this and I'm still soon accept Chelsea in a school. And do what she want to do. Keep all things fair and all them something there. But guess what? See, because of Spice, I give her a fight. And no people not gonna agree. But because of Spice, I give her a fight, brother. And she been get fight from longer days. But I understand that the more I fight Spice, or the stronger Spice get. Because I listen to a song where literally I speak about not doing what DJ nowadays are sing about. And una go scrutinize her for that. Una go stop a message where she literally are going to the school and I tell kids say, no, and that's something wanna have to do. You never hear Spice sing about so cocky. You never hear Spice, none of that. And Spice I try to teach the girls them, say, yo, here, this is what we depend. We have plan A and we are stick to plan A. We not suck no man dick, we not this, we not that. And we're not gonna make it seem like something bad she do, bro. Come on now. But I better say for this some other artists who don't say nothing. And accept them. No. But you a Spice, man. You a Spice. But anyway, that's my 2 cents. It doesn't have to matter. And nobody have to comment and say nobody cares about your 2 cents. I care about it. Okay? Thank you. God bless you. Okay? Love you guys. Like, comment, share, subscribe. See you in the next one.